What's good, YouTube? It's Wilson back with another FIFA video. The last one I uploaded was the best FIFA video I've ever done on the channel, so thank you guys. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's a good one. Today we got like an 18k FIFA point pack opening for Rulebreakers that just came out as I'm recording this. Pack luck goes pretty crazy. I do stream FIFA over on Twitch pretty much every day, so go give me a follow over there. As always, if you like what you see, drop a like, comment, subscribe. All the social links are down in the description. Let's get into it. I haven't seen this team, by the way. Am I gonna get a loading screen here? Oh, where'd it go? Ronaldo! So we got 13 packs plus 10 50Ks. Ay, Dios mío. 5%.
I like those odds.
Break 10. I mean, that's... We might have to get more FIFA points. Starting off with a Surge Gnabs. W. Rare Mega. Come on, EA. Let me see it. Boards at least. Oh, Pellegrini. Would his hamstring be better? Ooh. I wanted to use him. Maybe we'll put him in the team. The Anthony pull makes it worth it. We got 10 50k packs. Let's see. It's because it's totally worth your money. Let's see it. First one, boards. Ay, Dios. Okay. If you pack Ronaldo, I swear I'm going to break my monitor. That'd be nuts, wouldn't it? Oh, we got one! I mean, it's not the best, but we got... Don't point at yourself, dude. Who do you think you are, Hector Herrera? Looks decent to be... Yeah, he looks... Almost Hullet Gang. That's true. I want to look at his in-games. Ooh! Ruben Diaz. Well, hey, you know what? I'm glad we could do that. So, that's fine with me. How many of you packed so far is the first one? See the giant counter on the bottom of the screen, dude? That says how many I... Thanks for saving you money. That's why I'm doing it, Hisham. That's why I'm doing it. Showing you that FIFA points are not worth it. All my homies hate Willie. Facts. Oh, let's go. Not bad. Our other one's untradeable, so... Another 20k. Anthony! We're gonna do a Ronaldo Anthony celebration pack. Haaland! Oh my god! Haaland! It worked! Oh my god! Oh my, he was just in form too, but it's okay. How much? How much is he? We have him in the squad. He's gonna be a duplicate. 200k? So glad it isn't ones to watch. You guys are really out for my demise, aren't you? Why do I do these pack openings? I just get flamed the whole time. Alright, last 50k. No rule breakers. We get Millie Sav. Oh, he's a walkout. I didn't know that. Oh, LeBron James in the pack as well. Trent injured? I saw, dude. Liverpool's injury list right now is crazy, man. Very crazy, man. Oh, we got one!
Muchas gracias, afición. Este para vosotros.
Oh! Stop dancing! Stop it! EA did that on purpose, man. EA put this dude in there on purpose. I swear they get off on clips like this. Nah, he's getting quick sold. Yo, yeah, yo, say what you will about the mid content or whatever.
Let me know your thoughts. That card design's pretty. Oh my god, dude. I literally almost died. Why does he walk out too? He's 82 rated.
Messi? Oh, you mean in this one, Jamie? Walk out! Oh, no way. Oh, imagine. Trent? Oof. Just talking about him. We got 10 more of these, and then we'll open 7.5s. Wow. That's what I'm saying, dude. You just brighten my day. You know? Oh my god! Whoa! What is that? What is that? I put my headset on backwards. Oh, is he worth? 3, Suey, stop it. He's 300k. Oh my god, I thought it was a CONMEBOL. I thought it was a CONMEBOL card. Forlan, bro, what? Ay, Dios mío. In this one? Alright. Oh. So I don't know what a walkout is. Walkouts are... That's what I mean. I just got Trent a few packs ago. And it came from this way. So why did it come from this way? Alright, last pack. Anything crazy? No. Ronaldo.